Hey everyone, welcome back to 3 Plant-Based Kids. I'm Eden and I have a question for you. Come closer. Come. Do you like anything coconut? Because I know I do. And today we're making coconut macaroons. Super easy, chewy, and delicious. And using ingredients you probably already have. So let's get baking. All you need is unsweetened coconut flakes, coconut milk, vanilla, and maple syrup. So we added coconut flour to try to get the stickiness that we want it to be, but it's not working. So we're gonna try and add tahini, a healthy fat, to see if that holds everything together. The tahini will also give the coconut macaroons a little nutty flavor. I added about 3 tablespoons of tahini. Now we got the consistency that we want. And now we're gonna roll it up into a ball and make macaroons. Coconut tahini macaroons. We had to make some adjustments. Now we ended up with coconut tahini macaroons. If you love coconut, this treat is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on 3 Plant-Based Kids.